We're going to deal with the floor here. This could be up to a 3-hour floor. So something different about concrete systems is if you have a 3-hour system, you can use that in a 2-hour floor or a 1-hour floor. First time we're going to see mineral wool installed in one of our systems here. But let's read through this here. So our floor wall can be a minimum of 4.5 inches. So we're dealing with a 4.5 inch slab here. So we're good to go. We have an optional sleeve here, non-metallic sleeve. We do have this sleeve in there though, so we have that there, so it's covered. Our through penetrant can be one metallic pipe, conduit, or tubing. All right, our annular space here is a minimum of 1/4 inch to a maximum of 1 3/4 inch. And then our steel pipe, iron pipe, copper tubing, thresholds are all there. And then finally our Firestop system will be packing material of 4 inches.
Okay, 4 inches.
4-pound density mineral wool bat insulation. And what we're going to do is we'll read through this. It says that you need to compress it and firmly pack it in there as a permanent form, which Eddie's doing right now. Again, 4-inch minimum depth there. You got 4 inches down, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then the packing material is to be recessed from the top surface of the floor or from both surfaces of the wall. We're going to be installing this in a wall to accommodate the sealant, the LCI sealant in this case we're going to be using, which is going to be a 1/2 inch. So Eddie, let's recess that a 1/2 inch.
Okay, let's get that going here while I'm running around the system.
So it is worth noting here the T rating on this system is 0, and obviously we know metallic pipes are going to get pretty hot. So typically we would see a pipe like this coming through a floor within a wall cavity. That is one of the exceptions for T ratings. Otherwise you would need to wrap it with some thermal protective system as well. Eddie's got it recessed to 1/2 inch. He'll check it really quick just to make sure. All right. And then he's going to go ahead and put a 1/2 inch of sealant applied flush with the surface of the floor or both sides of the wall.
What type of sealant would you like me to use, John?
This would be the LCI sealant. If we look at this system, there are some options as well for the SSS, but we're going to go ahead and use what probably is our most versatile intumescent sealant, LCI.
When I'm doing the same thing as before, I'm making positive contact to both the pipe and the periphery.
So a little back and forth motion gets you that good adhesion to both the pipe and the sleeve or the floor.
I'm going to switch sides here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to tool this down next.
Put the finishing touches on there. And C-A-J-1319 in the books. In the meantime, for more information, please visit www.stifirestop.com.